Hey there folks, we've got something cool for you today in terms of what you can automate with Kommo CRM. With the edit tags trigger, you can effectively segment your audience to suit your particular needs automatically. So, the name for this automation is edit tags, and it's a trigger that can run automatically on certain stages of your pipelines in order to add or remove tags from your leads, based on certain conditions, of course. As always, the best way to understand how it works is to check out a use case, which is what we will do now. Say we've got our web agency, and most of our leads come from our website. We want to see how many of them end up being VIP clients and how many of them have received a discount from a promo we ran at the time. Here we are in our sales pipeline, and we can see what happens through the eyes of our clients. They visit our website and fill out a form we use to gather their requirements and contact data. As soon as that happens, we get an incoming lead in our sales pipeline. Let's open the lead card and assign this new potential customer to Tatiana, our stellar sales representative. The lead is then moved to the initial contact stage, already with a tag that lets us know its origin, the web form. Cue some small talk, negotiations, and hooray! Looks like we've got ourselves a paying customer. We've estimated the potential sale size, and when it exceeds 10,000, we want the customer and their deal labeled as VIP. At this stage, we're free to move the lead to the next stage of the pipeline, that being interested. At this point, we know the sale size, and isn't this a great day? $15,000, which we enter into the sale field. As soon as we do that, the VIP tag is automatically attached to the lead. But there's even more. Our customer is a shrewd haggler and got us to give them a 15% discount on the final offer. Little did they know, we figured they would, and we're ready. Now, the lead is moved to the offer made stage. In the lead card, we enter that this lead will have a 15% discount applied to this sale, and add this information in the respective field. And once again, just like that, the discount tag is automatically attached to the lead. Now let's say we want to see the full picture, how many VIPs and discounted deals we have going on at the moment. Let's visit the dashboard, and lo and behold, we can see it all right here. Looks good, huh? Why don't we see how we can set it all up in your own Kommo CRM account? The setup process is quite straightforward, just like it is with many other triggers you can find in Kommo CRM. We'll repeat the process we had in our use case, a discount tag and a VIP tag added automatically. Let's start with the VIP tag, added to the lead card if the sale value exceeds $10,000. Let's proceed to the lead section and press Setup in the upper right corner. Under the decision-making stage, click on an empty cell and choose Edit Tags. Now we need to let the system know how it's supposed to trigger. Under Conditions, we choose Sales and enter from $10,000. Now we answer another question, when it's supposed to trigger. And under Execute, we choose when moved or created at this stage. We pick Add Tags and specify the tag we want to see, that being #VIPLead. Press Done and the setup for this tag is complete. Next up is the discount tag. It's pretty much the same thing, with one notable difference. We need a custom field for it first, since there is no discount field for the tag to read yet. Open a lead card, any lead card, and press Setup. Now press Add Field and choose Select Field Type. Enter the name, something obvious like discount, and specify the options you would usually have for discounts, something like 10, 15, and 20%. Press Save. Now, the trigger itself. Once again, we go to the lead section and press Setup Pipeline in the upper right corner. Under the Offer Sent stage, click on an empty cell and select Edit Tags from the menu. Let's go to Conditions and pick the discount field at 15%. For the Execute setting, we select When moved to this stage. The action is to add tags and choose the tag itself, #discount. And that's all there is to it. The edit tags trigger is extremely handy if you need to segment your user base, and there are so many ways you can apply it to your sales process. For instance, if your leads require a tag only temporarily, you can set up a trigger to add a tag at one stage and another trigger to remove it on the next one. Check it out, it's super cool. Let's say we want to remove a tag as soon as the lead is moved to the closed won stage. We've closed the deal, no more need for the tag to be attached to the lead, right? So, same drill. Lead section, set up, and we click on the empty space under closed won stage. We choose edit tags trigger and set it to execute when a lead is moved to this stage. The action this time is to remove tags. Specify the tag, #urgent, done. Now the tag will be removed as soon as a lead enters the pipeline stage. In order to remove the trigger from your pipeline, simply click on it and select the trash bin icon. Boom, it's gone. And that's really it, folks. Tags are instrumental in an efficient sales process, and adding them by hand leaves too much space for error. Don't let that happen, automate it, because with Kommo CRM, it's a breeze. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.